So welcome back, guys, to the channel, Kids Coding Playground. Today we'll be continuing on the second episode of Indy Cat Maze Game. So if you haven't seen the first one, I suggest you to watch the first video first before going on to this one. So this is the code we got from the first video. I'm gonna drag through it and let you guys look through the code. And if you missed anything, I suggest you guys to copy it down right now. You can pause the video and copy it. Drag slow. Okay, so that's all the code we have for now. So next we'll be working on the turnstile, this thing that turns around. So all we want for this one is pretty simple. Just drag it when flag clicked. Go to this position. -195, y -30. Forever. Turn to the right 1 degree. So it'll turn. See, look, if I play it, it's going to turn. It's going to turn slowly. So that's pretty much all the code for turnstile. It's pretty simple. Let's do the whiptail. This is the monster that moves around here. And it can get the Indiana Jones, Indy Cat. So yesterday I mentioned in the first video to set it to size 40. So if you haven't, then set it to size 40 first. Okay, so for this, we want to drag it when flag clicked, point in direction of 90, so it'll point to the right in the beginning. And we want it to go, I have the coordinates written down. So the coordinates I have are -197, -149. Of course, you guys can put any coordinate somewhere around here, so that's fine. And we want a forever loop. Glide 5 seconds. Again, I have the coordinates written down to 171, and y -149. So glide somewhere around here, and then come back. So we want it to come back. We'll let it wait 2 seconds so the player can have some time to get up here and get the key. Wait 2 seconds. Point in direction -90, so it'll look to the left. So -90. Then we can glide another 5 seconds back to the beginning of -197, and 197, y -149. So next we want to wait another 2 seconds to let the player have a chance. It'll pause a little and point in direction of 90, so it'll turn to the right again, and it'll repeat forever. So as you can see, when you play it, it goes there, glides right here, glides until like right here, wait 2 seconds, then glides back, and it'll stop right here, and it will keep on doing it. So yeah, so that's the code for the whiptail. So this top wall, which is the top wall that it doesn't move or anything, it's just like a trap. So like if you touch it, then you go back to the beginning. So this trap, we'll just do all the code we need is when clicked, go to this position. That's all we need for this trap. And then for the key, this is the key, and use the key to touch the lock, and once you touch the lock, the gate will open up so you can go into the exit. So for the code, we want to get it when flag clicked, go to this X and Y position, 220, Y0, this position. We want it to show in the beginning. So we'll need the wait until block. Wait until it's touching the Indy Cat. Touching the Indy Cat. And then I have a sound downloaded right here. Start sound Afro string. It comes with when you download the sprite, it should come with the sprite, the sounds. So we'll need a forever loop. Let's get controls, forever loop. go to Indy Cat if it's touching it. So go to Indy Cat. Oops. Go to Indy Cat. If then touching lock, then it's touching this thing. If then touching lock, the lock, then it'll start sound the afro string again. This is just to like sound effects. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. Just some sound effects. And we'll broadcast gate open. Gate open. Broadcast gate open. So this is the gate will receive this and it'll move. And it'll hide if it touches. So that's the code. You can copy it down. So for the lock, we don't really need much code, just a when clicked and set the X and Y position. It's pretty simple. And yeah, so for the gate, we wanna, when it receives gate open, then we'll play this sound called dirty word. This is just a sound effect. I don't know. Is this the one? I'm not sure. So I don't know if this is the one, but I'll just put it. I don't know why there's no name for it, but I'll just put it right there. Oh, glide 3 seconds. I have the coordinates written down. Glide 3 seconds to 192. 192 negative 70y. So 192 negative 70y would be somewhere around here. It'll glide right here, so then you can go up here. So when clicked, we want to set the X and Y position of. This is for the lock. Let me just. It's the lock. Sorry. That's the gate. This is the gate. Sorry, I accidentally coded in the lock. So this is the gate, and then we want to set the X and Y position to X69 and Y negative 70. So that's it for the gate. So for the gem. So for the gem, we'll want to get a when clicked, when flag clicked. Clear all graphic effects, so it will like change color in the game. So in the beginning, we want to clear all the color effects. And forever, under it, we want a forever loop. Change color effect by 25. So change color to give it a little effect to make it look better. And we'll need a when flag clicked. Go to this X and Y position. Go to X negative 42, Y negative 48, right there. And it'll show in the beginning. Show, wait until it's touching the Indy Cat, okay? So when it touches the Indy Cat, wait until touching Indy Cat. So when it's touching the Indy Cat, it'll start sound called fairy dust. I have it right here. So start sound fairy dust. We can broadcast a new message called stone. So what this one does is to alert the it will broadcast the stone, so the stone will start gliding, the traps will start coming up, and this trap will start sliding in. So stone, I'll just call it stone. You can call it anything you want. Stone and hide. I want it to hide. So that's the gem. So as you can see when you play, the gem changes color. Right now, the defenses, the traps don't work yet because we have not coded that part yet. But I'll just go ahead and show you how this key works. See? When you put it in, the gate will open. And when you take it, it'll play a sound called fairy dust. So that's all we have for now. So next we can work on the wall left and the wall right. So wall left will not move anywhere. It'll just be a when clicked, set the X and Y position like some other sprites. Set it to negative 48, Y 67 to this position. And next, wall right. Wall right will need quite some more code because this one will be gliding. So when clicked, you want to set the X and Y position. When clicked, set the X and Y position to 67Y and 67X. 67Y and 67X, which is right here. And when it receives stone, which is the message that the gem will broadcast it. So this will receive it forever. We'll get a forever loop. Glide 2 seconds. Glide 2 seconds to -35, 67, and then we can duplicate this and glide back to the home position of 67, 67. So next, finally, the last trap we can do. It's not the last trap. We still have one more. And as you can see, for this trap in the last video, it was 2 separate sprites. So I combined them. To one sprite. So you won't have to get 2 sprites. Just Control C, Control V from the other sprite and copy paste it into this sprite. So now let's get onto the stone. So when clicked, we want to hide, of course. In the beginning, we want to hide. Forever turn 15 degrees to the right. So it will look like it's rolling. It's like a rolling stone. So when I receive stone, when it receives the stone message, it will get a forever loop. It will go to this X and Y position I wrote down, which is right here. -32, -39, sorry. 146, yeah. So right here. Show. It will show. Glide. It will glide 4 seconds. Glide 4 seconds to 206. I wrote down these coordinates. 206, 146. So it'll glide to here and come back. And then we'll hide. So I'll go. So as you can see, I'll just get the gem. Just get the gem real quick and show you guys what happens. See, the stone starts moving. Rolling stone from here. Oh, never mind. It rolls from this side to this side. And actually, you can do this. I did this wrong. I could for the wall left. This should be in wall right, so it looks better. It should be in here. Actually, sorry. So delete this. Yeah, see? So now this one moves, not this one. So I'll show you guys what happens. So get the key real quick. See, now this one moves. I accidentally did it in the other one, so put it in the wall right, the code. And the stone appears to be rolling. See? Like in the big boulder scene in the Indiana Jones movie. So finally, let's add the last trap. So when clicked for the last trap, this one, when clicked, we just want to go to this X and Y position, 182, Y 72, and hide at the beginning. When it receives stone, which is the message which also goes to the spiky thing and the stone, we'll need a forever loop. Hide, wait 2 seconds, and then show, and then wait another 2 seconds. So what this does is make it show and hide like it's coming out of the ground, and wait another 2 seconds. So right now I have all the traps done. And then finally we can add this script into the Indy Cat. And we can also add some background music after this. So this script is going to be pretty long. Zoom out a little. So we'll need a when clicked. So this is if it's touching any of these things. So if forever, if then, if, we'll need a lot of or statements. It's a really long one. Okay, so if touching, this is to sense if it's touching the traps. So if it's touching the turnstile, touching the wall left, touching the wall right, touching the whiptail, touching the stone, we'll need more or statements. This is a very long one. Touching the stone, touching this is a sense, stone, trap, or wall left. Wall T, yeah. So this is all of it. Let me zoom in a little. So if it's touching any of these traps, then we want to change the attempts by 1. So at the end, it'll show the attempts, remember? And then we'll go to this X and Y position. -205, Y 150. It'll go back to the starting position if it gets hit. And we'll use the my block again from the first video. Type words, ouch. Ouch, and say. So we'll say it instead of thinking it. And we can start a sound I have right here called cat. It'll just like make a meow sound. So alright, now let's add one more if then statement to the Indy Cat. So we want an if then statement right here. So if then touching the color, we want to get this color. It's touching this color. Then we want to broadcast a message called win. So this is to detect the win screen. Win. So as you can see, we still have a win screen right here. It says you won. And it took you blank seconds and it took you blank attempts. So for the code for this is pretty simple. So when it receives win, then go to the front layer. It will alert the player that they won. Show the variable timer. So it'll show how fast you did the game in. Show the variable timer. And show the variable attempts. So show how much attempts you have and stop all. And when clicked, we want it to go to 0, 0. So show in the center and hide. Yeah. And we can actually add some background music. Just get a when clicked forever loop sounds. Let's get one from the library. Go to loops. I just get the cave sound. Forever. Play sound cave until then. So when you start now, you type the instructions in the beginning. So if you touch it, you'll say ouch and play a meow sound. So I'll show you how the game. Now I'll play the whole game. So I'll try to get the key, unlock the gate, get the gem. And when you get the gem, all the traps start moving. So you go through here. This is a bit difficult, I guess. You can make the speed of the obstacles go how fast and how slow you want them to be. So let me try beating this. Hopefully I can. So I already have the gem obtained. So you don't have to recollect the gem again. I almost died there. So got past it. And you can position these. You can double click on this timer and drag it right here. And double click right here and put it right here. So it'll say it took you how many seconds and it took you how many attempts. So that's pretty much the video. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That would really help us. If you want better content, then please like, share, and subscribe. And definitely comment in the comment sections below to tell us what you think about this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.